Hey everyone! In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change your display name in Roblox. First, open Roblox and log into your account. You can do this on the app or on the Roblox website. Now tap the gear icon in the top right corner and go to Settings. Under the Account Info section, you'll see your current display name. Tap the edit icon next to Display Name. Enter your new display name. Remember, it must follow Roblox's community rules. Click Save to confirm. You can change your display name once every 7 days and it's completely free. And that's it! Your new display name will now appear in games. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Roblox tips.